Imagine this. Your car breaks down, your roof leaks, or you get hit with a surprise medical bill. Most people would swipe a credit card and sink deeper into debt. But with an emergency fund, you stay protected and stress-free. Today, I'll show you how to build one fast, even on a tight budget. Step 1. Why you need an emergency fund. An emergency fund isn't just savings, it's insurance for your life. It keeps you from using credit cards, payday loans, or draining investments when unexpected costs pop up. Step 2. How much should you save? Experts recommend 3-6 months of expenses. But don't let that scare you. Start with a mini emergency fund of $1,000. It's enough to cover most urgent problems and gives you momentum. Step 3. Where to keep it. Your emergency fund should be easy to access, like a high-yield savings account, separate from your daily checking account, safe from market risks, not in stocks or crypto. Step 4. How to save quickly. Automate transfers. Even 10/20s per week adds up. Cut one expense temporarily, coffee, dining out, and redirect it. Use side hustle income or tax refunds to jumpstart your fund. Step 5. How to grow it faster. Sell unused items for quick cash. Challenge yourself with no-spend weekends. Funnel any extra money, bonuses, overtime, side gigs, into your fund until it's fully built. Step 6. When to use it. Only for true emergencies. Medical bills, car repairs, job loss. Not for vacations, shopping, or splurges. Protect it like your safety net. If you're ready to take the next step in mastering your finances, download the Wealth Navigator ebook. It's full of tools to help you save smarter and build wealth faster. https://731wealth.gumroad.com/lbpdzest. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment how much you've saved so far toward your emergency fund.